guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Soumya. I'm a professional makeup artist and I love makeup, and I opened this channel so that you can learn makeup from me, and also I love fashion and lifestyle, and you would see that on my channel as well. So welcome to my channel and I hope you stay. So today's video is going to be one of my favorites. This video I'm going to be talking about the top 5 high-end foundations that I really love. So in this video I'm going to be talking about how they are, how different they are from each other, and the brands that I'm going to be mentioning in this video are something that I really love, and I hope you guys learn something about these foundations as well. And you can pick one of these foundations and try it for your skin, mainly because these foundations come in a variety of range, as I am going to be talking about how different they are from each other, and also the colors and their formula and their texture, everything in this video. So let's get on with the video. The number one foundation that I'm going to be talking about is my favorite. I've been using this for almost a decade now, and it's none other than NARS. This foundation I've been using for almost a decade now. I love it. It's something that I close my eyes if I go abroad or something like that. I just go pick it up and come. I use it on my brides, and this is one of my favorite. And I can say that for Indian skin tone, this suits almost perfectly. And if you're someone who loves natural glow, then this one is absolutely beautiful on the skin. And so the NARS foundation comes in a bottle like this. This is a NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Unfortunately, this does not have a pump. As you can see, this doesn't come with a pump at all, but this is one of my favorites. As you can see, this gives a very smooth texture, and I love how it glides into the skin, and it gives a very soft finish. It just melts into your skin. So this foundation is one of my favorites, and it comes in a lot of different shades. I've tried the other foundations in the NARS, but I really love the Sheer Glow to the others from their range, and I absolutely love it on my bride skin as well. It gives a very smooth glow, and as it says it's Sheer Glow, it absolutely does what it claims. It's beautiful on the skin, and I am in the shade Syracuse. One thing that I really love about the NARS foundation is that it comes in a different variety of colors, and there's a match for every skin tone. People say that this is not for oily skins, but I would say it if you prep your skin well, then this one will be gorgeous on your skin. It gives a very medium to full coverage finish. It is not very invisible. It is medium coverage. So if you're somebody who loves medium coverage, and if you want something very the finish which is like skin like, then I would say go for this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. The next foundation that I really love is the Estee Lauder one. This is again one of my favorites. If I really want to go full glam, then I would use this foundation. It's medium to full coverage. It's a full coverage foundation, and I'm someone who, if I'm going for a wedding, want something very full glamorous kind of look, and I want full coverage, then I always choose this foundation because it gives such a beautiful coverage. I mean, everything will be hidden, guys. Everything from your pimple marks, everything will be hidden. This one is really gorgeous on your skin. It doesn't feel thick. Again, this is a full coverage foundation, but it does not thick your base. And this foundation has lots of shade ranges, and I'm so sure that you can find yours as well. So my shade is Honey Bronze in Estee Lauder. I really love it. I used to go between Cashew and Honey Bronze, but I felt like Honey Bronze matches my skin very well. It doesn't dry out your skin completely. Since it's full coverage, people tend to think that it will dry your skin, but it doesn't dry your skin if you prep your skin well. The Estee Lauder one again doesn't come with a pump, so that's a drawback, but you can use a MAC pumper with this one. So the texture again is like little thicky, not like it doesn't run like the NARS one. It's more on the thick. As I said, it's a full coverage foundation, so it doesn't come on the slimmer one. The formula, the texture is more onto a creamy one than a runny formula. But again, if you're someone who loves full coverage, can you just see it just covered my entire hand? A little goes a long way. As I said, this is a full coverage one, so if you're someone who loves full coverage, and you can see that it just covered, I just used a little bit but the entire hand is covered. So if you're somebody who really loves full coverage, and if you're a bridal makeup artist, who wants to build their kit, then go ahead with the Estee Lauder one, because it is beautiful on the skin. But again, you have to prep your skin well before using this Estee Lauder one, because it is thick and creamy. So again, it dries out a little bit if you do not blend it well. So I always, in my videos, I used to say that, if you're going to blend in your foundation, make sure that you blend one side of the face first and then go to the next side. I absolutely love the Estee Lauder one. So if you're somebody who loves full coverage, then close your eyes and go ahead and pick the Estee Lauder one. And again, it comes in different shades. So this is such a magic inside a bottle, and I would recommend it 100%. So the next foundation I'm going to talk about, and one of my favorites, is the Bobbi Brown. So Bobbi Brown has been in the industry for a very, very, very long time, and this skin long wear foundation is one of my favorites, guys. This is how the Bobbi Brown looks like. It comes with the pump. I am in the shade Warm Honey. This is one of my favorites, guys. So if you're somebody who really loves medium to full coverage, this is one of my favorites. What you can do is, you can build this foundation. So if you're gonna go for a layer, and again you can top it with another layer, and it doesn't look cakey at all. This is one of my favorites. It goes from medium to full coverage. Absolutely beautiful on the skin. It lasts long. It is so good for oily skins as well. It is super gorgeous on the skin. It when I wear this, I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup. With the Estee Lauder one, of course, it's the full coverage one, so obviously I feel like something is on my skin. But this is something that I feel like I have nothing on my skin, and doesn't feel heavy on my skin at all. So this is how the Bobbi Brown looks like. A little goes, it is not a runny foundation. It's not very, very watery. It's creamy only. So Bobbi Brown's foundation is not watery. The texture is more of a cream based texture. So as I said, for the Estee Lauder foundation, this Bobbi Brown foundation also needs to be prepped well, because it's a medium to full coverage foundation. So I would request you guys to put a layer, blend it, and then go to the other side, put the layer and blend it. Don't put the dots all over your face and try to blend in your foundation, because it dries up. So all the foundations that I'm going to mention in this video has lots of colors, lots of beautiful shades for all skin tones. So that's why I really love these brands. And as I said, with the NARS and the Estee Lauder, the Bobbi Brown also comes with a wide range of colors, so everybody can find their match. The price point is a little bit higher, so it's around 4,500 or something. So if you're looking for a high-end product, then Bobbi Brown is really good. This doesn't oxidize also on your skin. So if you're somebody who has an oily skin, then I would say go ahead and buy this one. This is absolutely gorgeous. The next one in the range is, of course, one of my favorites. This is something that I tried very recently, a year ago, and I've fallen in love. I'm actually wearing it right now. The Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And in Too Faced, I'm in the shade called Praline. This Born This Way foundation is absolutely gorgeous on the skin, and I must say they come in lots of shades as well, and this is good for oily skin as well. It doesn't make your skin look very oily. You can also build this foundation, and the one thing that I really love about this foundation is that it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's just like NARS. I can compare it to NARS actually. Both the foundations are a little bit watery in texture, and they blend in like magic. So little drop, and then you can blend it out very easily with a brush. It doesn't cake your face. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous on the skin. And yes, again, it comes in a lot of variety of ranges, and that's what I really love about this foundation. So this is how the Too Faced looks like. It comes with a pump, and as you can see, the bottle is luxury. It looks so beautiful. As you can see, the texture is really good. It just blends beautifully on the skin, and yeah, it blends beautifully on the skin, and that's what I really love about this foundation. And also the price is little bit on the lower side. It's around 2500 or something like that, and it's absolutely gorgeous. For someone who's looking for a foundation that is not too pricey, like around 3000 or something like that, but it comes around in a 2000 range, then please invest in this foundation. It is really good. It comes in lots of shades, and since we are Indian skin tone, we need shades in our life because we need the right color for our skin, and these foundations are absolutely gorgeous when it comes to their shade ranges. And the Too Faced one is not overly priced. It doesn't oxidize on your skin, and it gives a very smooth, finish. The minute you buy it and you start using it, I can guarantee you that you'll fall in love with this foundation. The formula is not too heavy. I just started using it for a year now, but I absolutely love this foundation so much that I think I'll invest it for my brides as well. So yeah, I love the Too Faced one, and if you're somebody who's looking for a foundation in the 2000 rupees range, then please invest in the Too Faced because it will be worth it. The next foundation that I'm going to be talking, the last one, but certainly not the least, is the Fenty Beauty. This one is like I've been using it for 3 years now, but this is holy grail for me. I really, 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 really love this foundation. It gives such a beautiful, healthy glow on our face, and I don't think so I will ever stop buying this one. Again, this is my top 5. This is my favorite. This comes again, okay, this comes in 40 shades. So sure that you will find your shade as well. I'm in the shade 310, and it's absolutely gorgeous on my skin. So whenever I feel like going medium to full coverage, or just want to look very healthy, I go with this foundation. It is top notch. I absolutely love this. I use it on my brides as well. It gives a full coverage look, but the thing with Fenty is that it does dry up a little bit on your face, but it is not too heavy or mess up your look. So again, if you prep your skin well, then this foundation is going to sit beautifully on your face. And this packaging is also really cool. You need not worry about throwing it off, something like that, or if it is if it's falling or down, it is not going to break. So that's one thing about this product, because it comes in such a compact packaging, so that even if you drop it, you need not worry like, oh my god, is it going to break. And this one comes with a pump. Again, the texture is little bit creamy, watery, like now the NARS one, but the finish is, can you see it's turning a little bit more creamy, heavier creamy side kind of. So as you can see, if you blend it, it goes creamy, not watery. So that's the texture. You can, a little bit goes a long way, guys. You can use a little bit and build it up, and again you can use another layer with this one. The texture is beautiful. It is going to blend beautifully on your skin tone. So whatever you're going to apply later, your eyeshadows or your eyeliner or your lipsticks, it's going to look gorgeous. So if you're somebody who really looking for medium to full coverage, and want something that looks not cakey, then I would suggest you guys to go ahead and buy the Fenty Beauty one. I really, really love it. I've been wearing it in my videos as well. You would have seen the difference that it gives, and it lasts not for 8 hours but 12 hours, guys. It lasts that long. Even after wearing it for so many hours, it doesn't look dull or it doesn't go off. It stays intact. Yes, Fenty Beauty is one of my favorites. So these are the top 5 foundations that I really, really love, and I've been using these for like so many years now. So from my experience, I can say that these foundations last long, and they're very good on your skin. They do not break your skin, and of course it comes down to how you prep your skin. So if you're going to prep your skin very well, I think these foundations are going to look absolutely beautiful on your skin, regardless of it's being a medium or full coverage. It depends on your personal preference. You can always build up your foundation to make it look full coverage as well. So these are my top 5 high-end foundations. I really like these foundations mainly because of the different shade ranges it comes in. So for me, especially as a makeup artist, I need shades so that when I'm using it on my brides, I did not have to worry. So these 5 foundations have helped me throughout, and I hope this video is useful for you guys also to decide on which foundation to go for. Yes, I hope you guys found this video useful, and do let me know in the comment section box below how you like this video and also your favorite foundations from these 5. Hope you guys liked it as well, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Makeup by Soumya. And yes, I hope to see you guys very soon with my other video as well, and thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with more videos. Bye.